Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited today to be sharing with you the brand new metallic collection from Madame Glam. This is an improved formula. Do you remember their metallic hybrid collection that they brought out, which wasn't very good at all? I did review it. They said that they were going to bring out a new improved collection, and this is it. So some of the things here that you didn't get with the others, so you've got a specific base coat for the metallic polishes, and you've got this silver base which you need to apply before applying any colours. So I'm just going to take you through the steps now. So obviously you would need to prep your nail ready for a gel manicure. If you don't know how to do that, I will leave a link. But apply a nice even layer of the metallic base coat, and then cure it in your lamp for 30 seconds. So this is the secret weapon here with this base coat. So I'm just going to show you it in the pot, and you can see that it's already starting to air dry. Can you see where it's going like a proper like mirror chrome? Actually on the brush it dries really quickly. So you want to try and get this on with as few strokes as possible, because it's starting to dry straight away. So don't worry even if you get it in your sidewalls, you know, just put it on, let it do its thing, and then do a clean up before you go ahead and cure it in your lamp. So let it air dry for about 15 to 30 seconds. As soon as you've got that mirror shine, you pop it in your lamp for 30 seconds. So this is Starfire, so I'll show you what it looks like in the bottle. So it actually probably looks a little bit darker or completely different to what you expected as well. So it's very, very different to the hybrid collection. So with this, you just want to apply it nice and evenly. And obviously this shade is going to be absolutely perfect for the autumn season with that gorgeous sort of bronzed finish. So like I say, just keep going over it, try and remove those lines and get a nice even coat, and then cure it in your lamp for 30 seconds. But I mean, just look at that colour, it is so stunning. These polishes are amazing. And then you will need to go ahead and apply a layer of a no wipe top coat, and again you'll need to cure that in your lamp as well. And that is it. It's easy as that to apply these metallic gel polishes, and doesn't it just look absolutely amazing? I was blown away with these, and also as well I was blown away by how easy they are to use. By the way, there are 13 other metallic shades that you can choose from, so I'm going to be showing you 5 today. I've tried to do a good mix of them all, but there's some greens and blues in there as well. So I'm definitely going to be getting some more of these polishes, as they are just so amazing. So moving on now, the next colour is Hold My Wine. So this is what it looks like in the bottle. So again, it almost looks like it's black. But it's a gorgeous sort of plummy shade. So I've gone ahead and done the rest of the polishes off camera, just to sort of speed up this video, because I will be showing you a design using these metallics as well at the end of the video. But I mean, how stunning is this? It's a gorgeous, again, perfect for autumn with that sort of plummy tones that you get with it. And it's almost like mirror shine. I mean, look, you can see me in my nails. It's stunning. So next up is Pink Machine, and it's quite an unusual colour. It actually looks quite orangey in the bottle, but this is it all done. I mean, it's so bright. I mean, I know not everybody loves the pinks or the bright colours, but for me, oh, so gorgeous. And this one is obviously going to be perfect for summertime, or if you're going away on a holiday to a hot country. These are going to get you some attention. These are show-stopping nails. So if I have convinced you to purchase any of these because of the beautiful shades that I've shown you so far, please make sure to benefit from my 30% discount code, which is Jelly30, and please use the link provided in the description box below, because that shows to Madame Glam how many people are purchasing their polishes through my video. So I'd really appreciate you doing that. If you are a purple lover like me, oh, you're gonna love this polish. It is gorgeous. It's like the Cadbury's, you know, the Cadbury's chocolate wrapper, that purple wrapper, that's exactly what it looks like. It's a mixture between a purple and blue as well, and even in the sunshine or in the shade, these polishes just look breathtaking. I'm just like, literally with every single one, I was like, oh no, this is my favorite, oh no, this is my favorite. It's just, I love them all. So this is the final shade, and I have been wanting a product like this for so long. I've been trying to get chromes and never quite getting the look that I want. It's so bright, it's so red, it's so shiny, it's so gorgeous, it's so sexy. Absolutely love it, and looks amazing even in the shade as well. Do you know, sometimes with metallics or chromes, they can only look sort of nice in like the shade and not particularly in strong lights. These look good in both. I honestly, I can't rave about this collection enough. I am so stoked about it. So just before I go on to the design, this was from their old collection. I was thinking, right, if I followed the steps and used the metallic base coat and the silver, could I get these to work? So you might be thinking that that looks better, but when you compare it to this one, look at the difference in the shine, look at the difference in the application, and these were still a nightmare to work with as well, even applying it over that silver base. So it proves that the gel polishes themselves are new and improved. It's not just the metallic silver base that's going to get them to look this amazing. So for the design, I've gone ahead and applied the silver base to all of the nails, and I've just sort of decanted the polishes. And I'm basically just going to be doing like a horizontal line using all of the colours. So I'm just working it down the nail. So this is Hold My Wine. And then I'm putting on Iron Woman, which is that gorgeous pinky, what am I on about? The purpley blue. And then I'm coming in with the Breathe In Fire. Then this is Pink Machine, and then basically I start again with the sort of bronzy colours until the nail is completely done, like so. So now you want to get a nice fan brush, and basically I'm just going to rub the fan brush over the nail like so, and sort of picking up and dragging the colour all the way across, and it kind of just blends all these together. So I'm not pressing down too hard because I don't want that silver base to come through. But yes, that's what I did, and I put all of the I didn't put the colours in the exact same order either for the rest of the nails, so I will show you how they all looked together before I move on. But I just wanted to protect all that first, so I'm applying a top coat. So this is how it all looks together, which I actually think looks really funky and cool. Obviously it's not a perfectly smooth gradient, but it's a real great base for a stamping design. So I'm using my Uber Chic stamping plate, so it's going to be this image here, and I'm going to be using this sort of bronzy hit the bottle stamping polish, which is called Bronzed Aussie. So I'm just going to fill this negative space stamping image right here, so try not to overly scrape. Going to pick it up and then place it on the nail like so. And I just thought these went beautifully together. So you've got that like metallic shiny leaf all coming through. So this is it all done and top coated. Actually no, so I don't know if it is top coated. This is it all done, but I love that transition there, do you know, from that bronzed going down to the purple. I just thought that looked beautiful together. I love the pink on it as well. These are just proper autumn leaf colours, and it's just so stunning. So I decided afterwards that I would make it even more beautiful by applying this polish again from Madam Glam. It's their Peacock collection. So it just adds that glitter on top of it, and it kind of adds that little bit of texture which I think like the leaf design actually needs. So this is it outside. The sun had gone in, unfortunately, But yeah, but how stunning does this look? Now, what I would do, if I'd thought about applying this beforehand, I would have applied this before applying the stamping. I just think that would have made it look better. I could have been wrong, but that's what I think. So thank you so much for watching, Jelly Babes. I hope you've enjoyed my review and demonstration of these products. I absolutely love them. Cannot recommend them enough. They are stunning. So take care. Bye.